Welcome to Vocab Loco. In this video, you'll learn how to create distractors for your custom word list using AI. Distractors are the incorrect answer choices that appear alongside the correct answer during vocabulary tests. Adding them makes assessments more meaningful. Students have to truly know the word, not just recognize it by elimination. To get started, open a custom word list and find the distractors column in your word table. Click Manage next to the word you want to set up. You'll see the correct answer already filled in. That's always the word synonym, automatically set by the platform. Now you need to add at least 3 distractors. Options B, C, and D are required. You can type them in manually or let AI do the work. To generate with AI, choose how many distractors you want: 3, 6, 7, or 10. Adding more gives the system more options to randomize, so students see different combinations each time they test. If you want the AI to tailor the results to your students, use the Refine AI Results field. You can specify things like grade level or learner type. For example, results for 3rd grade second language learners. Click Generate with AI and the distractors will appear instantly. Review them, make any adjustments, and click Save when you're done. That's it! Repeat the process for as many words as you like. The more words have distractors, the more varied and effective your vocabulary tests become. If you have any questions, visit the knowledge base. We're happy to help.